Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Liniel K, 39 years old, single with 3 kids. My daughter is 17 years old and my two sons is 15 and 10 years old. I have siblings, 4 sisters and 2 brothers. I am ex-abroad. I worked before in Singapore, year 2012-2013. I serve one couple and I am taking care of a 4-month-old baby. Also, I work a housemaid here in the Philippines, September 2019 to October 2023. I serve 4 members of the family, one couple and 2 kids. My main duties is to take care the children. I do washing clothes, ironing, cleaning, cooking, and I'm willing more. To my future employer, I promise to you that I will do my responsibility. I am hardworking, caring, trustworthy. Thank you and have a nice day.